Clearly, the government's plans is to reduce the money coming into local government continually, and we've heard recently that that goes way into the future, 4 or 5 years. But as we all know, adult services is a huge problem nationally. We have flagged this up to central government, and we did a total place project to look at how we could mix the national funding between health and local government to the benefit of the service users. I am concerned that this is not being taken seriously enough by people in Westminster. They need to look across their departments and allow that mixing of finances. We've got to go forward and find a better way of producing services for the public in Dorset. And we've tried to defend frontline services as much as we can. We've always said that with the scale of the cuts, we can't do that entirely. But it's our job, my job, other authorities' job, the health service, other public services' job to work together to find a way in the future of doing the job for a lot less money to the public purse. And I think we should demand the freedoms and flexibilities. After all, we've been told that the new watchword is just do it. We should demand them from the centre. Everything is too slow. We need to move relatively fast and boldly now. We were offered the freeze on council tax. There are issues with it because actually we were only having it for 1 year. It's like a one-off capital sum of money in that effect. It won't be there next year. The way one can deal with that is either put the council tax up next year or make savings of, in this case, if it's 2.5%, £5 million plus further from our revenue budget, which is a big ask on top of the other savings that I've already said. And I am tremendously proud of the people who work for Dorset County Council and for other councils around the place because of what they have produced in an atmosphere of severe austerity. We have had hugely good results for children's services, excellent. We've had good from adult services where we know we're challenged because of the money that it demands all the time. People are working really hard with far fewer people in the organisation to try and produce the results. We are on the, I suppose, the threshold of the year now, which has the greatest show on earth coming to Dorset in the form of the Sailing Olympics. Fantastic. Queen's Jubilee year. We'll get a visit from the Queen and the Duke of Edinburgh. There's a lot to play for now, but what we mustn't forget is that even though we've met this budget, it's the future budgets that I'm concerned about and we should be concerned about, and that's why we'll be working on them from now right through the year to get the vision isolated, to work on the other people that need to work with us, so that we have a vision for the future for local government, the public service generally across the county.